Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today, and it is blistering hot. It is crazy hot right now, but it was time for a mow. Had to get it done. I got a new stripe pattern to show you. Started off, I took 4 nails, created me a square, made a 10-foot box. I mowed the outline of the box one way, turned around, mowed on the outside of that, turned around, mowed on the outside of that, and on and on and on. And that created this box looking thingamajiggy. When you look at it from the air, it looks pretty cool. When the sun's hitting these stripes, you know, the different angles and different directions, and you fly over, it just makes for a really unique look, I guess. Say, I hope you enjoyed the video. It is too hot to be out here looking at a camera and talking to it. I'm gonna go inside and chill out. As always, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch. I'll check you later on a cooler day.